Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Natalie Nicole and I hope you're having a great morning, evening, or whenever you're watching this lovely video. Okay, so guys, today we'll be making digital vision boards. In this part of the video, I will be teaching you how to make a vision board, but if you want to make your vision board with me or want to see like what I'm gonna personally do and put into my vision board, you can click the video up above. When making a vision board digitally, you can literally go about it a whole bunch of ways, but in this video in particularly, I will be using Canva. You can look up a template. To look up a template, you would just look up digital vision board. And then you will see everybody's digital vision boards. It kind of reminds me of like a scrapbook. So like you can use this for like inspiration, or you can quite literally pick a vision board, press customize this template, and then add all of your pictures on top of their pictures. For example, right, you see like how they have this whole setup, right? And like you delete their picture and you see how over here, right, we have like a frame. And like I'm just gonna add something very random, like a mascara that I was looking at. So if you want to add your picture to that exact frame, you just drag your picture on top of the frame and drop it in, and then your picture's there. So you can do that with all the pictures and just customize it to your liking. So if y'all don't want to do it from scratch, you can definitely do that. So that's how like you would make your digital vision board if you don't want to do it from scratch. But let me show y'all how to do it from scratch. I feel like the really cute vision boards are all for like pro members, and I don't know about y'all, but I do not like paying for pro memberships. I can literally do everything I want to on the application, so why am I paying for a pro membership? Depending on how you want it to look, if you want it in like landscape, when you press create design, there's a whole bunch of like pages you can click. A YouTube thumbnail will usually be landscape and a little thicker. You want to post it on Instagram or your story. They have the dimensions that you're gonna need for each type of media. That say you want your vision board to just like be on your lock screen. So today I'm gonna show y'all how I make it on the iPhone wallpaper. I like to have it on my wallpaper so I can just have easy access to it. So we're gonna hit iPhone wallpaper. So first we're gonna start off with a background color. I'm gonna pick like a baby pink. So yeah, I picked a background color. So next we're gonna go to elements. When we go to elements, we're gonna click frame. Or if it's not there, we're gonna press the search bar and search for frame. And you see all these different frames that we can choose from. These all can accept images. So by accept images, I mean, let's pick this frame. And let's go to my camera roll. I can click on my picture and then drag my picture into the frame. I'm gonna show you what happens when a graphic that you choose is not a frame. Real cute graphic. Let's add our image. Won't allow me to drag it into the frame. So you would have to like change the size, crop some stuff out, all that stuff to fit it into the frame. Versus this one, you just drag it and drop it. Once you have your photo in your frame, you can just move your photo like normal. Like your photo won't exit the frame unless you delete the photo. You can also detach the image if you don't want it to be in the frame anymore and the frame is still there. But so what I'm just gonna do is I'm gonna add a bunch of frames in different areas. You can add any frame that you want, any frame that you see. And again, this is all free. This isn't like a pro membership thing. It's a free frame, so y'all can save y'all coin. And you can also adjust the size of your frame.
A tornado flew around my room before you came. Excuse the mess it made. It usually doesn't rain in Southern California, much like Arizona. My eyes don't shed tears, but boy they pour when I'm thinking about you. Ooh, no, I've been thinking about you. You no, I've been thinking about you. Do you think about me still? Do you?
I'm just literally arranging the pictures how I want them to look. Oh, also guys, if you like this template, you can definitely use it. I'm gonna link it down below. You can arrange your photos however you want. I like mine to be like a structured collage, if you will. Hi guys, I just wanted to show you guys how to layer your images. So in the case where you wanted to bring an image back, you just press on the image and then you press the 3 dots right next to the trash can, and then you click on layer. And then you can either bring it backward for forward. And that's how you layer the clips. By the way, clicking send back will bring it all the way back. Okay guys, so I finished placing my photos where I want them to be, but again, I might change them. This is just kind of like the rough draft, but that's the cool thing, like you can change it around, make it what you want, all that stuff. I'm gonna put 2025 in the center and then kind of try to arrange my photos around that. To add text, you go to the text icon and then you press add text box, and you can literally, you just add the text, and in order to change the font, you tap on the text box and you just change your font. So I'm gonna do like a handwriting font for this, so like something like that. 2025. So basically I'm kind of making each section its own like little like theme. So yeah, right now guys, I'm just customizing the photo. So again, you can customize it in any way y'all want. I'll be back once I finish customizing it. Okay, so I finished my photo arrangement. I really like it. This is how I have arranged my photos. So you know how I had that background color? I think we're gonna choose another background. So you're gonna click on your image, you're gonna press add it to page, and then remember what we did with like bringing the layer to the back? We're gonna do that again. So we're gonna just layer and then send back. So right now I'm just customizing my template a little more. I'm adding graphics and changing the fonts.
The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. You know how I spend in H-O-U-S-T-O-N. I get too crazy, had a little baddie now. We stay good friends, we get too ready. All I know is that when it's cup hands, the next one begins. My babe, you know me, and you knew me back then. And you know how it goes when I see you again. You know I'm making my way to your ends, and you know I need you to be there for me. You a little post-so baby, you a little 48 baby. Got a little candy in her pocket, she gon' take off like a. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the no side. Text you, but I know you probably cross-eyed. Know I gotta come and check the whole man, baby.
Okay y'all, so I customized it. And then this is how it looks. It is so cute. I decided not to go with like the, oh, this is this category, this is that category. I did it with the photos, but I didn't put words there because I feel like that would have been too much. I feel like the separation of photos kind of like tells you like that it's different categories. So I hope you guys found this video informative. I hope you guys are able to make your digital vision boards for this 2025 year or whatever year you're watching this. If you really liked my template, you can find it in the link down below. If y'all want to see me make my vision board, it's gonna be with this template, but I'm just gonna like add stuff to it that is personal to me. Then go click on this video. It's gonna be a real fun time. Real fun. Okay, love you guys. Bye.
Let her run work 'cause you shot. The whole lucky when you hot. Think I ain't gave me a shot. They say much they thought I was shy. Took off